Well, guys, since we last checked in with you all, I had a chance to kind of drive around this area. This dark hole I'm standing in right now is actually Westheimer. Unbelievable, right? Take a look. You can see the streets are blanketed in snow and ice. If you're familiar with Westheimer, you know that this area is always brightly lit at night. But this morning, up and down the street, we've seen several traffic lights and shopping centers in the dark like this. We're not sure if it's part of the rolling outages or a power loss, but I have to tell you, as a fellow Houstonian, in my 30+ years, guys, I have never seen our Houston streets look like this before.
Better make sure you bring your A game. I be on these tracks like an A train. Nigga, this to come up. I got the 960 joint done up. I give a nigga brain, bitch, dumb up. You see a nigga change, a whole face change. I went from that little nigga who rap to the main. The bitches run game. In high school, I like how you flow. The same bitch won't give a nigga her area code. Fuck that, cause now I'm in Vegas with various hoes. And I'ma leave a club with a pair of these hoes. Yeah, Mayweather fight, a nigga sitting ringside. Like how many bitches can I fit up in this king size? I bought the coupe on, driver, let the team ride. I be in Philly smoking cushion, eating bean pies. I told niggas I would make it, they said yeah, right. Nigga, call us whenever you get there. Well, pick your phone up, yeah. Cause bitch, nigga, I done blown up. Yeah, now I'm shitting on the niggas, the bitches all fronters. I told them I would make it, now they hating on the come up. Well, fuck it, they pick your phone up. Yeah, cause bitch, nigga, I done blown up. Yeah, now I'm shitting on the niggas, the bitches all fronters. I told them I would make it. We going straight to the top. I said I was the best, but niggas ain't believing. You give these niggas reason, they lose faith in Jesus. Now these niggas hate, cause they see that I'm eating. And you can never pass me like mean ass teachers. Obi say if you gon' be the star, take us to the championship, fam. Now when they all sleep, I'm working on my right hand. So roll with us or get rolled on like speed stick. Fast whips, I be in that lamb like sheep dick. G shit, I be on that Louis shopping spree shit. Going copper V shit, I take all three shit. V6 Hummer with the daughter of a preacher. I poured the last Sunday, I called a bitch Easter. And the hoes that used to play them get on Facebook to reach them. Heard my song on the radio, thinking I'ma treat them. She like, no, it wasn't like that at all. I'm just now seeing your missed call. Well, silly bitch, pick your phone up. Yeah, cause guess what? I done blown up. Yeah, now I'm shitting on the niggas, the bitches all runners. I told them I would make it, now they hating on the come up. Well, fuck it, they pick your phone up. Yeah, the silly bitch, I done blown up.
You know what? I ain't got no love for none of these niggas, man.
On the niggas, the bitches all runners. I told them I would make it.
12 nights and 12 summers, 30 days it became calmer. Since the 9th grade, I couldn't live normal. Farther left, now it's do or die for eternal. How you survive when you thinking about suicide? No endorsements, so I had to compromise. This a barrel to overconquer lies. Yeah, now it's middle fingers up, huh? Tell them I made it, no look. Thanks to Robbie Carter, it would never be trust. I'ma let the lack creep, huh? Got my ego looking like Shaq's feet. I never cried, I just relaxed deep, huh? Even though they doubt me, I let the facts speak. Larger than Elvis, something that they couldn't find. I had to make it like Penny off Good Times. Flip-flops in Jamaica, getting served naked cater. Now it's all about paper. Shit, pick your phone up.
Yeah, cause bitch, nigga, I done blown up. Yeah, now I'm shitting